Good morning, guys. Here we have another beautiful car. This is El Camino. It's a classic car, and the owner just brought to us to work on the deep cleaning. He just bought it yesterday, and of course the paint restoration or paint correction. The paint is hardly to see, but it has a lot of defects on it, like watermarks, and it's been sitting outside for a little while. The paint itself is in good condition, but it needs a very deep cleaning. It's mold sitting everywhere, a few scratches. He wants to try to turn the car and in kind of showroom condition. As you can see, the undercarriage here contains a lot of mud. The car was sitting probably outside for the owner. Paint contained a lot of watermarks, some say a little bit of oxidation, nothing too bad. We gotta go easy on this one. Also, we're going to detail the engine on this one, and the chromes and everything. So we had a big engine here, the 4.3, you know, very nice, but we gotta detail this engine very carefully since it's an old car, and inspect, of course, some part of this. So this is what's gonna be our next project.